You are involved with CU Denver Anschutz in a capacity that requires you to submit a conflict of interest disclosure. But what is conflict of interest? If you hold one of the following positions, the COI office will email you a reminder to complete the COI disclosure. Faculty who are an assistant professor or higher, key personnel on a grant or human subject research protocol, a research committee member, an area, department, school, or program administrator, a university officer, certain administrative roles within the university, or otherwise specifically requested. Didn't get an email from the COI office? You may still receive instruction to complete the disclosure by groups or people outside the COI office, such as IRB staff, Office of Grants and Contracts, your supervisor, your PI, or your institution, such as UC Health or National Jewish. Not sure what you are supposed to disclose or why you're required to disclose anything? You haven't done anything wrong, right? Right. You are being asked to disclose information because the CU Denver Anschutz policies ask for full transparency. When disclosing information, all external, paid or unpaid relationships held by you, your spouse, or a dependent child should be disclosed. After you submit this information, the Conflict of Interest Department puts it through a rigorous review. The COI review identifies any possible conflicts. The COI office has federal, state, institution, and campus policies to consider when reviewing these conflicts. But what is a conflict? No, it's not that kind of conflict. A conflict may exist if you have an outside relationship that overlaps or seems to overlap or relate to your field and or university duties, such as research, purchasing decisions, or required textbooks. But don't worry, CU Denver Anschutz tries to manage a conflict rather than prohibit an outside relationship. Managing a conflict ensures there is sufficient transparency with those potentially involved, like supervisors, study subjects, lab personnel, and students, as well as confirming appropriate oversight. We understand this can be a confusing process, so feel free to contact the Conflict of Interest Department either by email at coi@ucdenver.edu or by calling one of our COI coordinators with any questions.